guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, what's up? My name is Michelle. Today we're gonna do something special. We're gonna unbox my BoxyCharm. Who's ready? Who's ready? I'm ready. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Join the family, you know. But let's get right into it. Okay, so no peeking. I didn't do no peeking, and we're gonna open it together. So let's. I always have a hard time opening everything. I'm the worst. Alright, so I'm hoping for the Semi Precious palette from Colourpop. As we know, we get either one of 5 palettes, but let's see. Yay! Now, we know what's inside. I know what's inside because I've seen plenty of other people's videos, but I'm kind of excited and I'm hoping for a Colourpop Semi Precious palette. So let's see what's in here. Now when we open her up, we do get this, and the theme of the month is eye candy. All right. Now it does give you a list of things that are inside your box. So first, what we've seen, I'm pretty sure you've seen, we do get Dr. Brandt's vacuum cleaner. It's a pore purifying mask. I've used this before and I can tell you that it does work. It's a very good mask, and it does actually retail for $47. So boom, your box is covered and then some. BoxyCharm is actually a subscription box that you can pay $21 a month and you get 5 full-size products, not sample size, full-size products. So it's definitely worth your money. If you guys want to subscribe, I'll leave their link below. So next we get the Tarteist Pro Glow from Tarte. I love Tarte Cosmetics. Now this is a liquid highlighter. I personally don't like liquid highlighters. I'm more of a powder highlight girl. And this is in the shade Sparkler. So let's see. Let's see. Ew. I'm not sure if you can see that very well because of the light. But it's... Ooh, you see that? Ooh, shiny. It's definitely glowing. Now this retails for $29. So there we go again. Now the third item in the box is the brow gel. Now the brow gel is an instant tinted brow gel. This is in the shade Brown Hair. So that's the second shade. It looks a little light, but I think it'll work. And this retails for $22. We're gonna use some of the products in the box today. I already had a full... Alright, well, I'm not sure what happened. I had a little hiccup with my camera, and I thought I was recording this whole time, but I wasn't. So, bam, I'm an idiot. But I did start a look using my You Had Me at Hello palette. What I did was I took this shade right here, which I believe is called 2Ps, and I used that as the transition shade. Then I went in with this shade right here, which is called Pulling Strings, and I just darkened that up in my crease. And now I took this darker shade right here called Sparks Fly, and I'm using this one right here, which is DTR. I believe I could be hacking up all this right now, but I just used it to go in the crease and darken up the outer V as well. And now I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which I want to call Fool's Rush. Let me know if I'm hacking this up. Might be. And what we're gonna do is just pop that on our lid. All over our lid, all over, all over, all over. I'm actually gonna go back in with that color again, but this time I'm gonna spray it with the Fix Plus so we can see the difference. Boom, you see how much better that looks? These Colourpop shadows are just amazing. Oh, it's so pretty. So we're gonna do that. Same for the other eye. We're gonna spray it again. And we're just gonna put this all over our lid. It's such a beautiful color. So pigmented. They're so creamy and buttery. I love Colourpop pressed powder shadows. You'd really be surprised. Like, I know you can see that there, but I'm still gonna take that there and swatch that so you guys can just see how creamy and just one swatch. I'm such a bronzy, warm tone girl. I love me some warm tone colors. Oh. Now we're gonna go back in with that M411 brush. I'm sorry that I was recording and it got lost and deleted and it messed up. So now we're gonna go back in with the M411 brush and we're gonna dip back into this darker color right here. Boom. And we're just gonna deepen this outer corner up. Again, I like to take it up into the corner and pull it back up into the crease about halfway. And we're gonna do the same thing for this eye right here. I like to tap first and place the pigment and then blend it up and out. To me, it just comes off a little darker. We're gonna go now with an MB47 from Morphe. Morphe all day, my favorite brushes, and we're gonna go in with that dark color as well, so that this way we can just drag it down. No worries, don't worry. I'm gonna do the same for this eye right here. I'm gonna drag it all the way in, just leaving a third of it. Boom. Now what we're gonna do is I have this Eco Tools pencil brush. It's a little bigger, but I'm gonna go into the second shade that we use to darken up the crease, and that's Pulling Strings, and we're just gonna smoke this out under here. So we're gonna use that. Make sure you bring it all together. Now I really like to smoke things out, so don't worry, I might come a little low. Don't ever be scared to pull it down. Trust me, if you smoke a look out like that, it looks so good to me. Like, it's sitting on top of my cheekbones when I smoke it out. So now that we have all that smoked out, we're gonna go back into that M431 small pencil brush, and we're gonna go into this shade right here, this gold shade. It's called Moonstruck. We're gonna take that and we're gonna insert that right into the inner corner. Do you see that? Yes. Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna pull that down just to finish and connect the bottom. And I'm also gonna use it as my brow bone color. Love a little highlight under there. So, boom. We're gonna do the same in the other eye. What I appreciate about Colourpop shadows is that there's never really much fallout with them, and they're just beautiful. Like, yes, girl like me appreciates that. So under the brow bone, get that glare. Just make sure that's deposited nicely. I'm loving it. Now we are gonna use the Tarteist Pro Glow liquid highlighter. Now I've seen people use this in videos, and I know that it's a little dark for my skin tone, but we're still gonna use it because we want to use almost everything in the box. So where's my beauty blender? When you have to go to the next room to go get your beauty blender. Yeah, that's me. So what we're gonna do, I'm kind of scared to just put it like straight on. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a little bit on the beauty blender. I'm gonna put it on the beauty blender. I'm gonna smear it a little bit because I've heard that it dries down pretty fast and it comes off a little patchy. So see, exactly like that. I don't know if you guys can see that, but once this product is down, it's just down. So I'm gonna take it on my finger, warm it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna pat it in. Boom. I think that works a little better when you warm it up a little more, because it does come out kind of thick. And we're gonna just use the beauty blender and put ooh, do you see that though? It's so pretty. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty. But again, you gotta warm it up first and then lay it down, in my personal opinion, because then you see what happens is you put it down and it's patchy. So boom. I'm sorry, no offense to the Tarte brand, but this product just isn't my favorite. Like, honestly. Like, we're gonna put a little bit redder. But again, do you see how patchy it once it's down, again, it's down. Like, it stays there. But I do like it. It's just not for me, to be completely honest. Just doesn't work for me. Now what we're gonna do is we are gonna use the brow gel. I already have my eyebrows done, but I'm gonna just use the gel to set it in place so that none of my hairs are crazy. I thought it wasn't gonna match me, but it's not bad. You can see the spoolie is a little lighter than my brow color. I basically almost have like a black brow. So now we're gonna take the Adesse liquid lips. Adesse. Oh, this thing smells so good. Ooh, it smells so good. I just want to lick my lips. This color is so beautiful. I love the way it goes on. It's not going on streaky at all. It's very thick. Feels hydrating even. Like, it's not tacky. Like, my lips are not sticking together. It's not, I don't, again, it doesn't say anything about being a matte lipstick, so, but I love it and I think it's beautiful. What we're gonna do to complete this look is we're gonna pop on some eyebrows. I mean, yeah, we already did that. I think we went that far already. This place is a mess. Excuse me, guys. I'm having a hard time finding everything that I'm looking for. But I found my lash glue. And we're gonna pop up some lashes because that's gonna complete this look for me. I'm usually a liquid eyeliner girl, but I finally learned how to put on lashes. Aren't you guys proud of me? So we're gonna just put some glue on it, babies. Yes, yes, yes. And we're gonna let that dry real quick. I'm so loving this look. The Colourpop palette, the Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Mask, the liquid lip. You definitely are getting your money worth in this box and in a lot of other boxes, as they do try to keep us with the high brand, high-end makeup, which I appreciate. And I love the fact that literally it's not a sample size. I've seen so many videos of unboxing and I think Ipsy bags and all this, but to me nothing compares to a BoxyCharm box. If you really want to be technical, like, I'm sorry, nothing compares. Nothing compares to you. For real, like, you always get your money worth. Like, the Colourpop eyeshadow palette alone pays for, almost gives you your whole $21. The Dr. Brandt is $47. The liquid lip is about $25. Come on, guys. You should definitely get into BoxyCharm. Oh, I just love it. Clamp. Bam. These are Ardell lashes. I'm not sure what number, but I will put them in the description below. They're one of my favorites and they're so pretty. It's so wispy. Let's put some glue on this other lash so we can finish this video.
I do want to just again apologize for the hack video. Like, who knew that I wasn't recording? Who knew? But that's my own fault. Next time I'll pay more attention, and I do want to apologize, guys, as I want to give you guys the best as you're taking your time out to watch me. Lash, no lash, basic, glam.
Bam. And that's our look. So, again, guys, April's BoxyCharm was life. It gave me life. This look, I'm loving. This can be my everyday look. I'm loving it. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't worry, I got a special video coming next. And have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching me unbox my BoxyCharm.